How to create a demo account in Thinkorswim. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. If you are interested in trying Thinkorswim before using real money, then you can use the guest pass option. First of all, download and install Thinkorswim application from your app drawer, from your app store or your Play Store and launch it open. Once you do that, you'll end up in this page. From here, to open a demo account, tap on Want to Demo Thinkorswim option at the bottom. Now on the next page, go ahead and create a guest pass. Tap the Create a Guest Pass option and on the next page, go ahead and sign up with your email. Now enter your first name, your last name and your valid email address. After you do that, select if you are a US resident or not. And finally click Continue at the bottom. Now on the next page, go ahead and enter the 6-digit security code sent to you via your entered email address. Open up your email service provider's inbox, copy the code inside it and paste it in. Now click on Continue. On the next page, go ahead and create your guest pass login credentials. Enter a login ID for yourself and then go to the new password option and enter a password. Enter the new password once again in the next field and finally select the security question from the drop down. Answer the question and finally click on Continue at the bottom. Now, you'll see this guest pass login credential option. Go ahead and enter your login ID, click Continue, and then enter your password on the next. If you want, you can also enable Face ID or biometrics so that you can log in next time quicker, and then click Login. Follow through the instruction, scan your biometrics or Face ID, and then you'll be able to get inside your demo account. So that's how you create a demo account in Thinkorswim. Take some time to explore the platform, practice placing suitable trades, and get comfortable with the tools before moving to a real trading. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.